Thank you for considering Steel Forming Systems. Let's start with a brief introduction. Steel Forming Systems is a metal component manufacturing company specializing in roll forming. We are an evolving, responsive company able to make quick course corrections and adapt to your company's ever-changing needs. Our compact, well-trained workforce knows your project from start to finish, thereby reducing scrap and labor costs while increasing quality. At SFS, we take great pride in equipment that ultimately saves your company time and money. Steel Forming Systems is better, value, faster. All our processes start with the engineering and development of tooling. Once we have consulted with you and your company, a distinct program is developed to manufacture the most precise part at the highest rate of production. At this time, Steel Forming Systems works to gain a full understanding of your product and needs. Our expert technicians take this information and program our equipment to exact specifications in order to achieve the highest quality end product. Here are some examples of the process that may be developed for your needs. This is a roll forming mill that produces a shelf. It starts with a coil of rolled stock. This can be steel, stainless steel, aluminum, or many other common metals based upon your needs. The material is uncoiled by the mill and passes through a series of pre-pierced dies. Here, notches, slots, and holes are added to the part before it proceeds to undergo roll forming. After the necessary cutouts are added, the material passes through a series of roller dies. Each pass carefully makes small changes to the shape of the steel until your desired profile is achieved with a minimum of stress to the stock. Then, the part passes through a cutoff die where it is cut to the desired length. Finally, a technician carefully and thoroughly inspects the part to ensure it meets all of your specification and quality requirements. Another example of roll forming is this mill that produces a wall stud. Due to the nature of this product, the stock material is galvanized steel. This mill forms a more complex profile requiring more passes. The number of variations that roll forming can produce is nearly endless. This component is post-pierced. Pierced elements can be added before or after the part is roll formed, depending on what makes for a more efficient operation. As you can see here, this mill rolls two types of material together to create a single part. The advantage of this type of operation is that it eliminates the need for welding or further manufacturing in order to create the desired part. Roll forming offers many benefits to you that can help make the production of your component a more successful undertaking. The streamlined process that reduces the cost of labor enables Steel Forming Systems to pass the cost savings along to you. The close tolerance and exacting precision of the roll forming process at Steel Forming Systems creates a high-tolerance, precise part for your company. The quick, responsive expert crew at Steel Forming Systems offer agility and efficiency that escapes more cumbersome companies. Steel Forming Systems roll forming is a fast, efficient way to mass-produce metal components for any industry. Some processes will require welding to accomplish the desired results. When exacting, repeatable welds are needed, Steel Forming Systems offers robotic welding. Using robotics to weld components creates cost savings through a reduction in labor costs and an increase in the number of parts produced per hour. Robotic welding also increases dramatically the quality of the parts produced. The machine creates quality welds every time. A technician loads roll-formed components onto one half of the turntable, while the robot automatically processes precise welds on the other side. This is yet another Steel Forming Systems cost savings feature. When resistance welding is appropriate, Steel Forming Systems offers spot welding. Resistance welding is a process by which electricity passes from the electrode and through the part. This creates heat, which allows the two parts to permanently join. This process is an attractive solution because of its high production rates. The speed and simplicity of this system offers further cost savings. Automated assembly is one of the complements to roll forming. After a part passes through the roll forming process, Steel Forming Systems offers solutions that may help complete the component or assembly. Here you can see an automated screw machine. It applies 12,000 screws per day. The screws are assigned a specific torque level. This ensures the proper quality of each part. Our focus on automated assembly reduces production times, increasing your profit margin. Regardless of the size of your project, Steel Forming Systems can design the solutions that best fit your company's needs. From roll forming to automated welding to automated assembly. Better, value, faster. Steel Forming Systems.